Listen to me. Hear me first.
Hey, see me so well. Vincent, they tell you say that the pursue woman without money. Eh? Hey, God though. Look, let me tell you, any guy or man will want chase beautiful girl like me will surely have to pay. Money, no.
Gee, I know now. Maybe you go even tell me. See, even that fingernail way you get. And also the cutters no be small cutters, like costly cutters. Even the hairdo way you carry, I know say they foreign. But they promise you say, once you agree, I go take care of you. Well.
Mr. Promise, you dey talk say you fit take care of me. Eh? Do you know the kind of cream why they rub for this my body, where they shine my body like this? Okay, you fit buy me special brand and pants. What of Mary Kay? You fit buy them.
Gee, you think what I demand from you? Not to give me your heart. Once you give me your heart, and I promise you say, even that Mary Kay, Rosalind Kay, Catherine Kay, Rena Kay, any kind of Kay, I feel buy them even double. Just give me your heart. Once I get your heart, forget about those ones. I feel do them. That one a small matter.
Don't stop me for it again. Don't you ever try it again. Mr. Promise.
Chichi. Wait now. Hega. Hey! Upu kele. Oh, hega. Chichi. So person when no get money, no fit carry fine girl. Okay. I go make money. But no sabi any hand work. I be make I go push wheelbarrow. No. She go see me. It be like saying a company work where I could go do. But the problem is say I no get certificate. Sure. Now I know why they say education get power. Who love it, boom. Who love it, boom, majo. Who love it, boom, majo.
Where is this useless man? Hey! You see him? The time why they do interview. You tell me say you be professional plate washer. Say you don't wash plate for Eko, Zamfara, Ghana, name them. Now waiting they happen. See as you they put sand for my garage. They delay my business.
Madam, I want to try and wash the plate. I don't want to wash them, leave soap inside. If I leave soap inside, then customer go to chop. They smell soap. They chop. They smell soap.
Shut up! Just wash this place fast.
Okay, madam.
See your face. Grandpapa face. Do this thing fast.
Who love it, go, man. Who love it, go, no, man.
This boy resembles that boy where they smoke Igbo for our window. Cletus, what be your problem? Everybody where they smoke Igbo, you know them. Now the bad character where they inside them. Now make me do smoke.
Evangelist Dr. Cletus.
How did they say it? 350 now. I think this one no wrong. No, original. It's not like original. It don't do now. You don't chop one cup now. It don't do.
What is your problem? Person want to buy something. I know go test this thing while I want buy.
It don't do. It's okay now. You be like say hungry catch you too much.
Don't be hungry. I want test one. Give this thing. One. Hopeless man.
Two.
Last test. Take a.
Give her money now. Where's the money where I give you this morning?
You just say you give me money, take this. Now 15 naira. Yeah, I know now. Shut up. We are discussing.
If you don't throw away that money, tell me.
Me, throw away the thing. And
you know, it's a young way. As you cover them, good.
No,
they go, maybe they go.
I want. Boy. You gave me your progress.
Exactly. That's my best man.
Abana,
engineer. Look at that China. Hello. Hello.
hello. Right, how about now?
Yeah, God knows small. See how you divide the thing.
The thing,
black and white, black and white.
Perfect.
And go give me the person where no tall. So that when I want to kiss her, I go find the place where I go climb.
No need to climb.
Almost too much.
We love
all this bag when they're pregnant. Now money full up. See
this will be boy low.
This is already like tomato ripe, but way overripe.
We never even finish the thing where our heart.
Don't mind it. I don't think so. Can you imagine?
You're not to today, you're a guy. Take a puta. So today, the way you go, I'm not here to on there. I'll go to a man who been carafish. You don't go happy, say I talk to you.
Yeah, man.
Wait, now you spoil all this business.
You. Now this
year color. Now you spoil this.
Which color?
You the crazy. Now that Gary way you carry for hand. You see, this day they don't see you. They see you that Gary way you carry for hand.
That girl don't fall in love. But your face don't spoil
everything. You know say you be hungry man. You gonna go on your own.
Yes.
You gonna go on
your own.
You
don't separate them. Anything.
If you go on your own, believe me, woman go slap you.
How they go now? Don't carry this your face.
Man, anybody will see this my nose will not love me. That person a devil.
Anybody will love you with this your nose, true to my heaven God, that person a nightmare ain't gonna get every night. Now they go. Why we keep our Gary self?
Go carry the Gary, make you go.
If you talk that thing, that sugar why I won't buy, that sugar 5 naira why I won't buy, we go take conjoy this guy. I no go buy him again.
We drink a lot that now.
Check whether they know they come back.
Those foolish people, they don't go.
Clayton Service Center. Man, all these old men, they look themselves finish. You go spend money for woman where you don't know whether he love you. I be ready to date you. I be not ready to date you. Waiting be that one named Bana. I be na banana. He still want date me. I don't see way. Me date that kind local idiot. These men them, they don't fit carry their money to better thing. House rent, I'm not sure say they pay. Work, whether they work mechanic or be vulcanizer, I don't know. Because they don't resemble people where they eat better money. Go there, they spend. So the one where you go carry shop, you carry and they give woman. Me, I ready to eat money. Except I know see if I see. Oh, I go chop.
Are you making the come closer and closer to me? Yeah. We'll be close to each other.
I beg, make your point clear. I don't understand you.
Okay. See, I want this friendship get so deep, so I can enter into you very much cool. This is how you get fine body. If you take this your fine body, from me, I will then condone the cool inside you.
Is that all you want?
You good now?
No problem. I will give you anything you want.
Yeah, that's that one good. That one.
But I have a small problem. I want to make you help me with small money. I won't use and buy handbags.
Oh, money again?
Yes, now money, and I want it now.
Who love it, poor Majo? Who love it, poor Majo? But yeah, that money thing, see, for tomorrow, I sure say I could give you money. But first thing in the morning, I don't carry the money, can't give you. But for now, you just give me a kiss.
Let's leave it tomorrow. Tomorrow when you bring the money, I will give you enough kiss when you want.
Make come today, tomorrow.
No, now. You bring the money, I will give you kiss. Tomorrow will better.
Today, tomorrow.
Tomorrow will better.
Today, tomorrow.
You know, if you bring them tomorrow, I will give you anything, give you my body myself tomorrow. So let's keep them tomorrow.
Hey.
So let's keep it, okay?
See, I beg now.
Let's leave it tomorrow.
Yeah, Chichi baby. She could like this one. Yeah, she could like him. What about this one? This one will click. I say carry many colors, red, black, and white. This one goes scatter her brain. Scatter. Chichi, my baby, scatter.
Oga Vincent, which one be this way come at the measure pant? I hope nothing happened.
What be your own? Huh? Which one be say anything where no concern you will carry your mouth put inside there? What be your business?
No, so I beg. I say my follow you celebrate the pant where you buy.
Celebrate pant where I buy for my girlfriend. How now you go come to follow me celebrate them? You know the wear pant? You never see pant before?
I never see my way buy pants for woman. Carry and come out. They show everybody. I never see him. Now I see my follow you celebrate.
I say you never wear. You know the wear pant? I know how you pant too.
Oh, sorry.
Where you wear pant too?
Don't see it. They're doing that funny. No best.
Come now. Oh, Reka. Ikukusheba on apple. Go find a boyfriend, go buy you pants. Do the stuff you won't wear buy for my girlfriend. Huh? Chichi baby. Hey! Who will have read the
Say, Chichi baby. Oh, Chichi baby.
I'm fine. Where they apple? I will give me one dinner.
I trust you, Nana.
How
what's the apple?
You know that my friend.
Who? Vincent.
What's the apple? They call him Vincent. Now my bobo.
What's the apple?
He say, "You want to take me out?"
He want to take you out.
We'll go cruise.
Hey, you remember that my old man friend?
Oh, where they do like
And they tell you. He tell me say you want to take me out. Now I go dress finish. You know where I carry me go?
Where?
Tombo joints.
Hey! You mean it?
I tell you, go there go see old men. When they tell you nonsense story when no they book. My dear, no worry, your own Phoebe I can enjoy it.
My Phoebe no fit carry that.
That is small cruising.
You know carry me
watch that
yourself.
You need to.
No, you need a pass. You need a pass. You know carry me go that side.
Cletus, I don't come back. Cletus,
Barnaby. You don't buy him.
I don't buy me. Why I don't buy him? I told you say Ozizi na unoko. Ozizi. Oh, I'm on direct. I don't buy him.
I see this way, man. Exactly. You buy what I need. This one, eh? See, if I give it to this girl, you no agree, make a quadia front and back, a bomba to bomba, Asian category. Now, say one devil there behind him.
And this one, where is he so? If you give him this one, if you drink him, hi, you go see kiss. This guy will carry kiss for you. Huh? What do you go here for your head now? But why not your leg? Yeah, I envy you. Remember me, your kingdom.
I deserve my sadness, don't go away from me.
I envy you. So that I know if you forget them now that this time when this thing come my bread. If we go their house now, if we reach that shop, we go buy success card, join them. And you know say I be very good at it. That success card, we go drum heart like this. Then come carry one arrow, put for the middle.
Knowing that the love where you have on heart don't enter into her.
Say you don't carry your heart, catapult into the guest's heart.
Mletu ganye tiemo. Oh, chichi baby. Upuga sobuomo anye. Love buomo anye. Love buomo anye.
Chichi. Which one is Chichi?
I was thinking about my uncle. What a village. Waking my father. You gone there threatening, sir. You go kill my sister Chichi.
Shut up, John.
Sorry, madam.
Say the rice where you keep for fire. Don't burn finish. Look at this one.
Love me wa anye. Chi baby buamo.
Hey.
I listen. Nobody there.
They know there. That's number one. Number two, be say they get case for police station.
They get police case.
Police case. Somebody come eat poison. You can become police case.
For ya.
Go.
Me, I don't want to eat too.
You want up here? You want up here? The reason why I come here be say the person where they say they do. You see the police. So police say make I come see whether the person don't run. Come here. They go no. I don't see.
Okay, make I they go before they go arrest me.
Okay, bye. Love it, boo, my job. You pull a bit, boo, no my job.
Say, Chichi baby. Oh, Chichi baby. Chichi baby. Anye, Chi baby buamo. Anye. Love buamo, anye. Love buomo anye. Love buonu mo anye. Love me wa anye.
Let's say you can't eat. Now you dress like that. You get something like that, and I need to find out.
Chichi buomo kamubano. Love buomo anye. Love buomo anye.
3,000 naira. Hey, Cletus and Wayo. Cletus.
Mosioro enyemgi. Mpatego enyemgi. Ife mwelo enyesiamgi ewo. Chichi
Get money. Go give Chichi. Eh? Wait. Now 3,000. If I give Chichi 3,000 and Sandra see me when I give Chichi, I mean say I know they do well now. She feel leave me. She feel join Chichi. Two of them will be in drag. That half-inch Cletus. Okay. If I give my bear this one, I'll carry this one, give Chichi. Since we Cletus will get mine, carry this money, keep for house. Bring money, make we eat. Cletus will say, ain't no money. Say he no work anything. I don't know whether Cletus be, whether if that man na ceremonial mechanic. Anyway, I know what to do. That house, they don't say I be wise man. Now me be Barnabas.
Hey, make I go and get a lot of food. Yes, I really don't finish for my mom.
Ah, Chichi. Sunday, honey. My son. Hey, so.
Why you happy like this? What happen?
Any day when I see you, so now so I go be happy.
I see you now. You happy
well. In fact, you are part of my life. In fact, you are all my life. Hey,
thank you.
So you tell me the other day you want
make my hair. Yes. Yes.
No, I'm very caring.
Yes.
Women.
Make my hair.
Yeah. You see, I be very caring.
Yes. You know, see, you remember.
Even if now White House hair you want, I go give you money. I get money.
Hey, my boyfriend. That make I cry for you now.
I want make my baby they look sharp. Listen.
Jesus.
Take this one, go do your hair. Even if this one no do, pay them in advance. Yes, I'll give you the balance.
Let me cry for you.
I feel marriage kiss.
No, tomorrow I go give you tomorrow. Kiss tomorrow.
Gigi. You know, Cletus, they very caring. As I tell her, say I won't go come give my darling money. Say, I just look for him, one of him pigeonhole in car. Say, I go see this thing. Say, make you manager. You mean? Say, if he come back from him trip, say he go change. In fact, go change your wardrobe.
You mean it?
Yes.
Hey,
Cletus is caring.
No, thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
You are too much. We gotta go now. Make I go there see her.
I feel follow.
No follow us.
No,
I will come now tomorrow. You know.
Baby, I love you.
I know, I love you too.
You know go even make just a hug. 3,000 don't just go like that. How they prepare I will take Cletus. And how you want them? Why would they sow seed? Go sow seed finish. Go house.
All the money way in the top me, she never agreed me to touch her. What sort of rubbish is this?
You don't even talk your own. Your own be say that one way calling say Chichi, they sometimes allow you go touch her. You see that one where they cause and that one they wicked. Me, the girl they even, in fact, the girl they stingy. If you see how this girl carry me go one joint, if you see where this girl they demolish chicken, hi, if you see where this girl they break chicken bone, you go think say this girl they work for construction company.
Look what mine.
You go even they imagine waiting the foul do and whether the foul even offend them. Yet I go do all these things. Ordinary to slot SIM card, this girl no go agree. Kissing where they come on. Ordinary this girl no go agree make I do. If I say that thing, why forget what they do before. If I say I go begin do them again.
Waiting with that.
I know say girls they like person. All the guys where they high.
High, but how?
Girls they like person where they do. With the smoky, why they look me like this? Your eye come red, daughter. If you see any girl, look her eye, eyeball to eyeball, that girl go fall in love. Maybe we don't do soft well. Girls know they like soft people because we don't do soft well for these girls. Now what thing we go do now? Make we save our face before Konji go kill me and you.
That's telling me say make we go join Smoky so that these two babes go agree with us.
Oh, yeah, no. I dey try them before. May we just do them. You know where they sell them?
I don't know.
I go carry you go. You know, sir, I be agent before I call repent. Now you make me a repent because I want change your life. I go carry you go that bunk. Even if na 200 naira Igbo we smoke, our eye go red well.
And you know the place where they sell them.
I say I know bunk. We dey go from here.
Make you go. Make I smoke them. Whether this girl go agree. I waiting. Anything where they tell me say make I do so that these girls go agree. This chichi go agree with me. I go do them. Even though to steal something, I go steal.
If you smoke this thing, if you don't get those girls, if you want to climb two of them, if you not succeed, no call me Barnabas again. Huh? Ha! Marco, sure you know the okay. I know I go carry you go. I go carry you go down my phone. I go carry you go. Come now. Now my brother.
Hey. I mean, no, sir, please greet somebody now. Look at this man, oh. I know what, yeah.
You know, base here. You know, base this contact.
Yeah, welcome. You don't see me for you.
Look at me.
See this man, oh. You see him? You don't match our code.
I be you know the watch.
See as our code now don't they shout yes.
Now for tell me say make I know my.
Who go tell you?
I be you know the
watch. Enter bunko for the first time.
Abuka.
You don't smoke before.
That they ask her before this man.
You don't smoke before.
He don't smoke. This man when they see her, they almost
shit.
Man, you know the
super.
Yeah.
Super.
See, watch me.
Mona, Frida, make you smoke. See this Jesse man.
Let us balance well. No, see, balance. Yes, that's the spirit. Not the spirit. Go.
I came here with two legs. Where we are now? I dey look for one of my leg. I don't see my leg go.
From here to.
You should say,
the man is about malaria now. This guy can't
what you talk?
See this man,
see your brother. Come here. See what you do. Only how many sticks will smoke here?
Instead, na brother's affair. We don't need the opener.
Come on down from here. Which can brother affair?
We don't need your opener. I mean opinion.
Carry this man.
You know be leg. Which kind of leg you look for? Not be your leg.
Look at your face.
See your leg.
Chichi baby, oh Chichi baby.
Come now, see, waiting they face you. Can you get with you? Waiting they worry you. Bana, So take things easy now.
Cletus, make you no just call my name again. So after that thing when you do in front of those girls, you get mine, still get mine, come they talk to me. Cletus, you no get conscience. So everything what I teach you, no see you fuck off. No. If no be say condition of poverty, don't join me and you together. Me I forgot this on you many years ago.
Anything where I do there, I no see them as bad thing. See, even the gays, those gays, they help me, say I dey try. Now me they talk, say I no get sense.
That man hear what? You see small girls, you don't be talk in front of them. You don't come here, come the blah 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 blah. I don't know what thing they do you. Common sense you don't get.
At times you go plan the thing where you go talk the principle of a game. When you see the girl, you go to talk another thing. How when you listen, these two things when they carry for chest, when you this thing, those big ones, if you look at it, your conscience will come out. What are you talking about?
See, as you just disgrace me. Upon say I dey help you well. Ordinary conscience, common one, you know even get.
The conscience way through my head is plenty, it's overmuch. And they find way to leak some. Because my head they crack like a computer. You know go sabi. You know what enter inside my
I hear what? Yeah. In fact, your conscience. See, if your conscience they leak, may you carry your yeye coconut go meet fire service. May they carry another pipe where they take point fire, put for your head, collect the water away there your breath.
Make you go to Vulcanizer, make Vulcanizer put air into my head.
No problem. So that vulcanizing business where they do, continue doing it. In fact, you don't even get hope. As far as I'm concerned, we are hopeless.
I get something where I want to
You see, as Vin, my friend, to organize your friend Chichi, I want to make I organize you now.
As Vin no fit do account for Chichi, you fit do account.
What do you mean by account?
Money.
That one has small case. Very little case. You see, Vin they work for tea company. Me, I they work for big company. So
you.
I fit.
You they work for big company?
Yes.
I see that, so you they work for big company?
Yeah. Yes.
It's not before the love and respect I have for my friend Chichi. I will insult you, as in insult you, so that next time you see person will resemble me, you know go stop am for road.
If you fit insult me after insulting me, you agree to my proposal.
Nana no say go say the worry, poverty they worry you.
Ukuki mara.
Hello. Excuse me. No verse. Child. Baby. You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Your face looks so frequent and familiar. You enter this place new. Abi you want to see somebody?
I just came in last week. I came to visit.
You came for a visit?
Yes.
Child. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
No verse. Get something where I want to tell you. I don't want to make you verse. I want to tell you, say, I love
you. Like this.
See, no begin laugh me. This thing what they if you they look outwardly, you go miss it. See this thing where you see here. Now my evening dress. I just they dress casually like this. Honestly. If you see me when I did for my attire, my correct attire, if you see me with my coat, I mean with my suit, lace, you go no say again, man. Honestly. This Jeep where you see here, now my first Jeep. Let me drive this one, drive and kill and pack and here. I dey even look for person where I go dash am. I buy second one, drive and that one oh small. I dash am out.
Wow.
Even the third one, if to say you come earlier, you foresee the third one. But I send my driver make him go buy fuel for me.
You're a big man.
This estate where you see, now me they control them. Now my papa leave am for me. I inherited this estate from my papa.
But this place doesn't look like an estate.
No be estate like that. Nah, mini estate. Mini estate.
I don't stay around, so I don't know anywhere.
Chai. No vessel. Before you go, I know you day in a house.
Yeah, I want to ask you something.
I won't ask you one little thing.
What?
I won't make you go to my house.
You just said that you love me. I will think about it. Maybe next time.
But you for just follow me. No be say you go do. True to God, you no go do anything. I go just open the room. You look inside. Come out. No problem. You go your way. Go now. I mean, you no go do anything.
Next time.
I'll
come next time.
Right?
Bye-bye.
If you dey come na this side, na this side. You go see one protector where they there. I just dey disguise myself because of all these small boys where they take somebody. Bye bye. Chai. This one God just enter lab. Go construct this one. No be clay tools. If you dey see clay tools, go no say God enter workshop go construct that one.
So, now this is unless I don't go today, I will tell everyone when they are including so I don't see the problem of Hamatan.
See what in me. But I don't chop today. I don't chop a fried rice. Chop fried beans. Chop chicken. Chop turkey. Chop chicken peri. Every food I don't consume today, I don't even mess it for myself. Because if I mess here, everyone will be inside this door. Man, no mess. I don't mess. For the sake of love, I don't mess. Just the chop. If you finish here, I will carry you go another joint. Yes. No. Just tired. The thing sweet. People no get conscious.
No?
Not you, na Cletus. They play that song as a that's so where will they go my house now? What is
to my house now?
What is talk now?
To my house.
Don't tell me say you know they show appreciation if person do something for you.
Appreciation of what?
You go tell me appreciation of what? Remember that thing when you talk for that job? Come carry you go. I know how many bottles where you don't drink here.
What do you mean? My mom is expecting me at 2 a.m.
Which mommy? No be your auntie. Tell me that time. Now you don't tell me.
My auntie. My mom just came. Take me to my house, please.
Me take you to your house. I'm not going to go anywhere.
I'll leave you here.
What do you mean? No? So don't tell me say you dey happy.
I will leave you here. I'm going. Take me to my house.
Tell me say this thing where you dey do na play. Say you just dey act.
I'm leaving you.
So you just dey go like that. Hey! Akwala m aka tiere ọkụkọ akị. Baby, hey! Baby, even if you just make me go lie down together, you no fit. Have a good one. wey I get. See as I just squander the money last night. Simple say I carry a gear, go joint. 940 naira. This girl chop the whole money, remain only 40 naira for me. If to say Cletus, I carry Cletus go. I know Cletus shame no day that one eye. We for no go that joint. Cletus for even carry us go Kai Kai joint. For go that Kai Kai joint, if the girl no go shark Kai Kai, he go forget her. Only 40 naira remain for me. And the worst part, I buy Gare, the money no even do, make I buy sugar. Every day, this life, instead of man to get hope, this life is getting hopeless.
Love everyone aye, love everyone aye, love everyone aye, love me wa aye.
Drink that. The Gare rice well. This one will still do me for afternoon and the night. I get one bedroom rat for that house, Cletus. I go dodge and wear Cletus. Cletus no dey carry eye see food where somebody chop.
Mrosioro enyemgi, mpatego enyemgi, ife nwelu enyesiamgi ewo, chichi buomo kamubano. Love buomo anye, love buomo anye.
Carry this pot, go for Oboji Junction. For that thinker place, make you go patch up. If you like, go sleep there. You sabi go Ijawa now. Remember, they count time for you. And they count time.
Carry pot, go the repair for my madam. Because I want my wife to give Chichi. Eh? Even if I give Chichi this money, you know they give me the thing where I want.
Good afternoon. Fine.
Where do they go?
We dey go market.
Hey, you say I know say when I go pass here. That thing where I promise you, I for carry for my pocket, don't give you. But I don't know. Okay, think what happen? You say, when I go market, come back. Go find one anywhere we're not there. I will carry and give you.
So you mean you have something for me?
The thing where I promise you now.
Are you sure?
Hey, I go do it now. Okay. Bye bye.
Oh chichi baby, iye na somuso. Ezi wanyi ochamo, iye na somuso anye.
My pot! My pot! My madam pot! Where my pot? Who could have bought a bomajo? Who carry my pot? Who could have bought a bomajo? Who carry my pot? My madam pot! My madam pot!
Oh, chichi baby.
All this one are your own. I will see you again. Everything they continuous.